Action.
Okay, everybody, we're gonna test what happens when you get around leaves, the touch of leaves, the smell of leaves. Okay, now get ready for this.
Mama! Woo! I love it! I love it! I love it! It's like daisies! Oh, it's sunny here! It's like catnip! Mama. And that is what happens when you get near leaves.